much area is there?
There are several showrooms on
No,
that
everything
land.
has to go. You just cannot hold on to somebody else's property.
Kindly see
Nothing
Malad,
doing.
the 2005
Whatever is there. will
kindly
be
see the
created on-
judgment, Malad.
No.
My right,
It has
Malad,
to
about
happen.
the adverse possession, Malad, that's been curtailed by the writ court
You are not
in a
there.
summary proceedings. Malad, nobody is listening to me, nobody is hearing me, no documents being Malad, considered. See, Malad, I would like to Malad, intervene. Malad, why, Malad? We have not been made a party. Malad, 30 years, one school is there in that land. And I have all the documents to
Which
show.
land? The land
In
belongs
that-
to the port.
Yes.
Who are you? Did the port
Well,
give you any authority?
School has been run by one NGO. Little children, they learn things in that school.
What type of things they learn? I do not understand. Somebody is blocking and occupying somebody else's property and you are teaching over there?
Malad, by filing a writ petition, Malad, one has been evicted, Malad, who has been staying or running an institute on that particular land, Malad, more than 30 years. These are the facts not been pleaded in the writ petition.
The port is
Well, I would seek Milord now. If
constructing a hospital over there.
Yes. Now, Milord, that
It is the land of the port.
Hospital is 600 meters away from that particular land.
What right do you have? What right do you have to enter into somebody else's property and run a school or run a nursing home from there? Do you have any right?
For that, I need to take the instruction. Malad, today, Malad, I got to know, Malad, I was instructed, two people had just
Standing behind you and saying that you intervened.
Malad, I have few documents to show.
Oh, what is the position?
We got to know at the time of demolition.
Very well. What is the position?
the position of police has not Milord carried out the order of the court. I am going to take a contempt application. In the meantime, I will seek Milord, Lord, she'll permit us Milord to utilize the central forces to remove this. Immediately when the order was passed, Milord, these people were gathered there and they started saying that we run a school. Where from the school comes?
People are residing
These
there,
are
people are running the school. 30, Malad, I have the voter card issued on that particular premises.
Where from does your right come? Tell me this.
That I will come back, Malad. Kindly allow me to take the instruction in
You take instruction in
Malad,
the
para
meeting.
2, para 3, Malad.
A hospital being
two
constructed
persons
cannot
name
be.
Malad, two persons' name being pleaded in the writ petition, but they are not made party. They are not made party.
Very well.
As far as
Yes, your report, please.
May I submit? As far as we are concerned, we had gone there with a large police force. The port authorities were carrying out the entire eviction. We have ensured not a single person from the port authorities was injured or there was any law and order. We've kept the place. They carried out. Part of the thing has happened. There is more time that is required. My only prayer is, some more time is given. Let the port trust give when they'll do the next date. We will, as your lordship has rendered, we will render assistance.
Very well. You render assistance and along with you, let the
I'll tell you,
central
lordship.
authorities also be there. You are there. Let the central authorities also be there for
No,
removal
but
of
that
these
is
people.
not, that is not required.
Why?
Because we shall render all assistance.
You will be there. The court is not throwing you out. But let there be more force from the
No,
central
we will
authorities.
provide. It is not a case that we can't
No,
provide.
what is your difficulty?
No,
You
we,
cannot. You have.
we will undertake the entire
Yes, yes,
exercise.
you will. And you are. And you have.
Yes,
No
sir.
difficulty with that.
Central
Getting-
forces are not required over there. My humble submission is because today, end of the day, law and order is a state subject. Today we have rendered the service, but it is an area of 12,000 square feet. With a lot of resistance, with everything. If your lordship kindly accepts my version, we are rendering all cooperation. I'm surprised with this sort of submission that was made before your lordship. But we have rendered, we will provide a stronger police force if required. But as far as the demolition drive is concerned, they have carried out. Today, if they are unable to carry out the demolition, I should not be blamed for it.
Nobody is blaming you. Nobody is blaming you.
My right of residence, right of
Nobody is blaming you.
that is going away without being made party.
I
140, my lord, kindly
Wait.
don't take me amiss, my
I
lord.
will-
Yesterday,
I will, because till you can show that you have a right to stay over there, the court is not there with
my
you.
lord, kindly appreciate, my lord. My lord is very much aware, my lord. Even yesterday, my lord has, my lord, one of my colleagues, my lord, was reprimanded by my lord, my lord. He has shown one order sheet, my lord, which is under section 144 of the CRPC, and by that order, one eviction has been made. My lord, same is happening, my lord, in a writ proceedings. My lord, kindly, my lord, kindly allow me to come back with all the documents. Then, my lord, will see. Well, what are the facts? My lord, my right has been fructified, my lord, by way of adverse possession. My lord, I have been staying.
To public property.
Yes, I will show the law. My lord, I'll show the law. My lord, 12 years for the private parties and 30 years for the government property.
Yes.
My lord, I'll come back. My lord, let me come back. My lord, these are the facts which have not been pleaded.
Sir, they were
My lord,
set up, my lord, after
surreptitiously,
the
my
order
lord,
was
this
passed by the
writ
court.
has,
Sorry, sir. I am not.
this writ has
I
been
am
filed, my
not
lord.
with you.
My lord, kindly grant me that liberty.
What do you have today?
My lord, today, my lord,
You have nothing.
my lord, I got to know, my lord, I have been instructed today morning in court.
That is your client's difficulty. That is neither the petitioner's problem nor the court's
But they are
problem.
not so rich, my lord. Kindly.
Rich? Where is the question of richness coming over here? One has to be rich. Make proper submissions in court. The wealth of a party is.
It matters, my lord. I'm
it
sorry to
does
say,
not.
my lord, it matters sometimes.
Then if you think you are poor enough and you are not in a
My lord,
position,
they are
don't-
illiterate, my lord. They are from the slums, my lord. Kindly appreciate. These are the aspects, my lord. My lord, I cannot, my lord, until unless I produce all the facts, my lord, along with the documents
when your
to
client,
substantiate that they have been
Listen,
staying in that property.
listen, it is your client who has come and instructed you that they are staying there. Was it not your primary
Even
duty
a
to
school has
inquire?
been run by one NGO.
Is it not your duty to inquire from your client what are the documents to place before
Yes,
the court
I
on the
did.
first day?
I did. I
They don't
flashed
have-
them outside the court. Kono document anenni.
Bas, it's over. It is over. It is a school. If you say it's there for 30 years, there must be some document.
I have all the documents. My lord, kindly take it up tomorrow.
No,
Give-
come at 1:15.
My lord, 1:15, my lord, I'll come back.
Yes.
I'll come back.
Your lordship has already fixed another matter at 1:15 today.
Yes, 1:15 doesn't end there. So 1:15 I'll be here.
Lunchtime, your lordship not kindly stop.
It is for y'all. It's not for me. I do not have any personal interest in any matter.
No, that's not the issue. But lunchtime, your lordship not.
You can have lunch, you can keep somebody here. Yes, call for.
The first paragraph, women and youth hailing from distressed backgrounds such as slums and streets for last 35 years or more with the help of the local people. I will show the identity card on that address being issued by my lord, 25 years back, 30 years back. Now, my lord, kindly come to that my lord, page 8. My lord, I don't know whether it's been telling or not, my lord. This is the 25 years back. This has been issued, and my lord, the Situ identity card. My lord, kindly come to
What is
yes,
this?
Tell me
page
one
9.
thing. Tell me one thing. Please be reasonable. Can you establish your right
Yes,
relying upon
1992.
these?
Since from
these,
1992, I have the
documents?
documents. 1992. My lord, kindly come to the last page. My lord, kindly come to the last page.
Show me something from the
But
port authority that
12th
they have permitted you to use this
My
plot.
12th March 1992, my lord.
All
My
these
lord has got
addresses
it.
are beyond the
My lord has got it.
issue.
Last page.
Last page.
12th March, my lord, at the bottom, my lord, kindly see.
This document.
Yes.
Yes.
What are
My lord, 12th date of issuance, my lord, 12th March 1992. I'll show another document.
No,
of
what does this
1992.
show? 92
What
document.
A
What is this?
registered hawker in that land.
Where is that?
My lord, kindly, Calcutta Street Hawkers Union on the top.
What
My
is
lord,
the authority of this union
Yeah,
to give
to
you
give
a
you-
card?
my lord,
At
this
which
is, I am showing that before the court that I have been there or
No,
these
kindly
persons have been there possessing that land. Well, since 19 or maybe from
Prior
1990.
thereto.
Prior thereto.
Yes.
Let me come back with all those
But then
documents.
what authority does this
My lord,
union
now,
have
now,
to
my lord,
give you
my lord
this
wants
card?
to know about the law. My lord, now, my lord, I'll be taking the, my lord, recourse of Limitation Act. My lord,
What you?
my lord, kindly come to section 27 once. Okay, check it out. My lord, extinguishment of the right.
Yes.
Kindly come to, my lord, section 27 once.
Yes.
At the determination of the period hereby limited to any person for instituting a suit of possession of any property, well, suit for possession of any property, his right to such property shall be extinguished. Well, I take the defense in this case, my lord, their right has been extinguished because they did not take any step within the 30 years time period. My lord, now, my lord, kindly come to 65 once, my lord, article 65. My lord, my lord has got article
Yes.
65.
Hmm.
My lord, that for possession of immovable property or any interest therein based on title, my lord, on the right hand side, my lord, will get the time period is 12 years.
This is not restricted to government properties.
I will show, yes, the judgment of that. 1 month.
How much place are you occupying? How much place are you occupying?
All right, I'll have to take all
You
those
do not
instructions.
have any information. You are before the court.
Around 10:25, my clients came and, my lord,
They are not interested. They just want to stall the
they are not,
process.
my lord, they hail from a slum, my lord, kindly. Now, my lord, kindly
No,
come
I
to-
won't see anything. Tell me how much place are you occupying? How much is the area?
But the entire stretch of road, blood, there was nothing. One political party office, after the order is passed, they take recourse to
I'll
the
be-
club. I just place it. I have the highest sympathy for these poor downtrodden people. But this cannot be used for the purpose of destroying the right of the public sector. Kindly take this letter right track. At the
Right
top,
track.
undated letter.
Yes.
And my lord will immediately get you how this letter was not manufactured. I being Assistant General Secretary of the caption concerned, would like to inform you
কোনটা দিলে এটা?
the registered office of this right track milot is in
2005
Mominpur area
না, এটা তো 1990
at the top right hand side.
2005
Yes.
টা দাও না আমাকে।
And the administrative office is milot is somewhere else. Project office is somewhere else.
Hmm.
They now write this letter to the officer in charge saying that we have been staying there for more than 35 years.
মানে
I
NGOs,
will-
NGOs
Wait, don't
registered-
interrupt.
I'm sorry.
Yes.
I will show that this road construction, the permission was granted for the purpose of construction. Kindly come to my petition, page 96. This is the work order issued for resurfacing Helen Kila Sharoni by heavy duty paver block in 3rd January 2023,
Hmm.
and it was completed on 2nd of February 2024. Nothing was there. The political party office was coming up when he complained. Now this right track says, this is very interesting, there is no political party office.
Hmm.
How he is interested to know?
মানে I'm
There is
not
no-
on there.
Again,
There is no political party office besides adjacent said local association Majirat Boys Club. Furthermore, we are not taking any assistance from any political party. How does this question comes when they write this? They were not there. They were organized to prevent this operation.
Hmm.
They let the operation be continued. As the police in the morning says that
any idea about how much area is this these people occupy?
this so-called club is only occupying.
No, he's not a club. He says he's a school.
No, this is a club, Majirat Club,
What is your
Majirat Boys Club.
submission?
Well,
You are a club?
I am appearing on behalf of all the
No.
so-called encroachers being tagged
All
by
the
Mr.
so-called encroachers.
Yes, client, my lord. We are saying, my lord,
If it is a school, tell me how
School-
much area is there?
my lord,
Well, I
there
am
are
told
several
200
shop
square.
rooms on
No,
that
everything
land.
has to go. You just cannot hold on to somebody else's
My lord,
property.
kindly see, my
Nothing
lord,
doing.
the 2005, my lord,
Whatever is there,
my lord,
we'll
kindly
see
see the
later on.
judgment, my lord.
No.
My right, my
That's
lord,
not
about
happening.
the adverse possession, my lord, that's been curtailed by the writ court
You are not
in a
there.
summary proceedings. Nobody is listening to me, nobody is hearing me, no documents being considered. In the writ petition, 2 persons' name have been alleged, and those 2 persons are not being made party.
Page 96, what were you referring? It's
KMC, when
96
Mr.
was the-
Bhattacharya was the
Page 96, my lord, is
96.
the work order issued for the purpose of, my lord,
resurfacing,
paper
recreation.
block road.
Yes.
Page
It is
96.
is it this road where they
Yes.
are occupying?
This is the road where they occupy. Well, I have made it without, with the paper block, then it was clear. Now, as soon as, my lord, the political party office was to be installed, they have managed to gather these people. My lord, I had photographed to show, my lord, the political party flag. Immediately order is passed, its Majerat Club comes in.
And what is the stand of the police? Mr. Banerjee was submitting in the morning that you have taken steps for removal and you want more force for removal of these people. Obstruction.
I have taken instructions. We shall have a superior officer who shall be commanding a much larger, whatever the necessary, it will be a dynamic arrangement that we shall go in if required more. A full layout is being chalked out, but in any case, on the layout done on the last occasion, this time the layout should be much more. No, we shall. Lordship,
How soon can you do it?
when your lordship says. Not
No,
today.
the order is already there.
Not today. Your lordship does not say today. But giving 1 day's time, we should make time.
Very well.
One day. Today is Wednesday. I'll fix it on Friday. Tomorrow is Thursday.
My lord will not hear me.
Arrangement, but your lordship is fixing the demolition on Friday.
No, the matter is being made returnable on Friday so that you can perform the work. Yes.
Lordship, give me Thursday to do the arrangement and the demolition on, because if required.
Arrangement is already there. Half of it is there.
We have
The
to do
more
far more arrangement.
you delay, the more difficult it will be for you to perform the work.
I'll tell you, Lordship, what happens is I have to requisition in force. But it's not just one unit that will go there. But from these reserve forces and others. So I have to give some time for them to come in. Maybe somebody.
No, because this is an emergent situation. It's a government body.
In a summary
Cannot
proceedings, my lord is directing to evict me.
No
Well-
direction of eviction. The court is directing the authority to take steps for construction of their hospital.
Without evicting, when my right has been accrued, fructified, I have shown 2 judgments.
Please come.
They have not started even any proceedings. Not before the estate officer.
The order passed by the court on
Well,
20th of June 2024 is yet to be acted upon fully. Stop. Time has been sought for by the learned advocate representing the state respondents for acting strictly in terms of the order passed by the court. Stop.